How to find recently watched reels on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're gonna find out how to see recently watched reels on Instagram. If you have ever scrolled through tons of reels and wanted to go back to the specific one you saw earlier but couldn't find it, this guide may be helpful for you. Now, without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so first thing first, Instagram doesn't have an official feature that shows all of your recently watched reels on one place. That can be a bit frustrating, right? But don't worry. There are some couple of ways to track down the reel that you are looking for. One way to find recently watched reels is by checking the reels that you have liked. If you came across something amazing and you have liked it, it will be saved in your liked post. Here how you can find it. First of all, open the Instagram app and go to your profile. Once you are in your profile, simply tap on the three dash icon shown on the top right corner and it will open up the menu. Now on the menu section, simply tap on your activity. Once you have opened it, simply tap on likes. And here you will be able to see all the posts you have liked, including the reels. So if you have liked the reel you watched recently, you can find here. Next, now the another way is by checking your saved reels. If you have saved any reels to revisit later, they will be stored here. To find them, go to the profile and tap on the three dash icon on the top right corner. Next, tap saved, and here you will be able to find the posts that you have saved before. This is super helpful if you want to keep track of your favorite reels and watch them later again. If you didn't like or save the reel but want to find it again, check your Explorer page or your main feed. Instagram algorithm often suggests reels based on your activity, so you might see the same or similar one pop up again. You can just keep on scrolling through the Reels section on the home screen or the Explorer tab and look for the reel you watched earlier. So while Instagram doesn't have a dedicated feature for recently watched reels, using these tricks can help you to find your content you have enjoyed before. Remember to like and save the reels you want to revisit later, and you will always be able to find them when you need them. If this video helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.